Brandon here, YouTube Mechanics. Finally, after 34 days, countless hours, and I don't know how many people trying to figure out what was wrong with this Cadillac. It had, go to start it up, and it would go click, click, and then start. So click, click, start, and what it ended up being, these grounds right here are not very good. I don't know what Cadillac was doing when they put these grounds in, so we redid all these grounds, and then it still wouldn't start. 3 starters we put in, and what it ended up being was this ground right here was completely rusted and rotted. So I cleaned it off, put a couple washers on it, and it starts right up. So if you got a Cadillac ATS, it's a 2012 Cadillac ATS, click, click, start. And this video helps you out, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you again.